if I told you that mastering digital marketing could change your life? Digital marketing is a world where you connect with millions at your fingertips. Did you know that 4.5 billion people are online right now? You're also one of them. This is an incredible opportunity just waiting for you to tap into. Wait till you hear reason number 3. It's very crucial to your business. Hi, my name is Samugumbi, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're part of the tribe, I appreciate your support. In this channel, we speak to users about growing your business in the online space. And today, we are diving into 3 reasons why a woman like you needs to master digital marketing now. With the rise of the online business, this skill isn't just a bonus, it's essential. Reason number 1: empowerment and independence. Have you ever felt stuck in a job that didn't fulfill you? Digital marketing will give you the power to create a career and business growth. Okay? So imagine being able to work at your own terms, setting your own times, setting your own hours, and choosing what you want to work on. Women who have mastered digital marketing are seizing that power right now. Let's take Lerato. Lerato is a stay-at-home mom who started a blog about parenting. With her newfound knowledge of digital marketing, she learned how to grow her audience. She now collaborates with brands and brings in a steady income, all from home. The freedom that comes with this knowledge is simply priceless. Reason number 2, the digital world is here to stay. Just think back where you were 10 years ago. Technology has changed so much in such a short space of time. From social media to e-commerce, everything has moved online, sis. If you don't adapt, you will find yourself left behind. Businesses are seeking people to know how to navigate this space. And women are making big moves in the digital marketing space and claiming their future. Check out the link below where I am hosting a free course, which is an initiative of the ILO, Microsoft, and Women in Digital Business. This helps you with the foundations of digital marketing. All right, awesome. Let's look at a woman called Spiwe. This woman started doing freelance digital marketing. With just a few online courses, she now helps many small businesses grow their online presence. She could help you. Her skills have made her indispensable, and she was able to quit her 9 to 5. The digital world offers unlimited potential. Drum roll to that one that I promised you, reason number 3. That's going to change the way you view yourself. That is building a personal brand. In this age of social media, personal branding is everything. Your personal brand can open doors for you in ways that you've never imagined. Women who master digital marketing can tell their stories and connect with others. Think about it. Every time you post, you have a chance to showcase your personality and expertise. I know, right? I know. That's the smiling. On this one, anyway, I've got an example. There's a woman called Tepiso who I've worked with, who has turned her passion for fitness into a successful online coaching business. Just fitness, hey? By utilizing digital marketing skills, she attracts clients from all over the world. Like I always teach my students, your address is no longer just where you are staying, but we are in the global space. Her personal brand is vibrant and it's relatable, making her authority in her niche. A strong personal brand can enhance your career opportunities and allows for authentic conversation. Incorporate these skills into your toolkit, gives you more control, sis, over how you present yourself to the world. So if you're feeling inspired, it's now time to take action. Before I wrap up, I want to hear from you. Have you ever considered learning about digital marketing? What do you think about what we discussed today? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. Let's chat about your thoughts. I'll definitely come and reply to your comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and come back and let's learn some more. Okay, so in this world that is rapidly changing, mastering digital marketing can be key to your self-empowerment, right? And stability and building an incredible personal brand. Remember, the opportunities are endless if you're willing to learn and apply these skills. So are you ready to take that leap, sis? I'll see you inside. This is Samagumbi, the mompreneur, and smiling is my trademark.